How to create a newsletter in Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. What's great about this is that it is actually built in Squarespace, so you don't have to get a third-party application unless you really want to. But I'm just going to show you exactly what you want to do. So first, we're just going to create a mailing list. So basically where people are just going to subscribe and start using. So in order to create a mailing list, simply go to your main dashboard here and click on contacts and click on lists and segments. Next up, click on create mailing list from the top right corner, give it a name, and that's all you need to do. In my case, I'm just going to use this mailing list that I've created a while back. It's called All Subs, but just make sure you give it a proper name because we're just going to use that in a little bit. So next up, we just want to add the block, which is basically going to allow people to subscribe to our newsletter. So we can just find any page that we want or create a new page entirely if you want to, which in fact, I'm actually going to do right now. I'm just going to go ahead and create a page real quick, blank page, and name it subscribe, just, as a test. Anyways, so what I want to do is first add an empty section here. So if we just go to edit mode and click on add section, I'm just going to go and add a blank section. And on top of it, I'm just going to click on add block, and we should be able to find the block, which is going to allow people to basically subscribe, which is the newsletter block. So you can just go and select that, move it as you like, design it as you like. But most importantly is if we click on settings here, we just want to ensure that the subscribers actually go to the proper storage, which is going to be in the mailing list all subs. So you saw the steps here, click on storage, Squarespace, and add to mailing list, which is all subs. And this is basically just going to redirect people to that specific mailing list. And obviously, design-wise and stuff, it's completely up to you. Once you're happy with this, click on save and exit. And now we're pretty much good to go. So once you actually have subscribers for your mailing list, what you want to do is just go to your main dashboard, go to campaigns, click on create from the top right corner, and basically just create your email, design it, use this template. And once you're happy with your email, send a sample to yourself. And afterwards, click on email here on the top right corner. Add a subject line, email preview, and click on unique recipients, and make sure you select the mailing list that we just created and send. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So as you can see, it's very, very simple to use with Squarespace. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.